Hi, are you feeling hemmed in at all sides, or maybe like you're at the end of your rope? You know what? I would love to help you to regain that feeling of sanity and enjoyment of homeschooling through high school. My name is Lee Benz, and I'm the home scholar, and my mission is to help you homeschool high school and middle school. I would love you to join me with my next free class, The Keys to High School Success. It's going to go a long way in helping you to regain that sanity. You're going to learn the keys to finding that confidence that you need to do the job well. We'll talk about how to regain the love of learning, how to choose curriculum. We'll talk about how to be successful, even with kids that have ever changing situations and have no idea what they want to do in the future. This class is going to be perfect for you if you have a child in grades 6, 7, 8, 9, 10th, 11th, or 12th. I'm looking forward to seeing you online. Make sure that you register as soon as possible, though, because space is limited and I don't want you to miss out. I'll see you online soon. Take care.